Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to ERi-TV English News broadcast for this hour with me, Barsabet Taghla. On your domestic reports, the Ministry of Labour and Social Welfare's branch in the Central Region has reported significant efforts made in 2024 to ensure social justice. Mr. Siyubo Mikael, a representative of the branch office, stated that the programs implemented in 2024 focused on enhancing children's rights, supporting disabled veterans, disabled and senior citizens, improving the socioeconomic status of citizens, eradicating underage marriages and female genital mutilation, and assisting war-disabled veterans and families of martyrs. The branch office revealed that over the past 9 months, more than 56.5 million nafa was disbursed to families of martyrs. Additionally, over 1.1 million nafa contributed by citizens within the country and abroad was distributed to 134 families of martyrs, while 293,100 nafa collected at the community level was allocated to 239 disadvantaged families of martyrs. Mr. Siyum further highlighted that the branch office has rehabilitated 10 disadvantaged women with material support worth 10,000 nafa each, identifying beneficiaries in collaboration with local area administrations. In other news, Eritrean nationals residing in various countries have made substantial monetary contributions to support families of martyrs and enhance the National Martyrs Trust Fund. According to the Ministry of Labour and Social Welfare, nationals in Saqqara, Sweden contributed $4,500, while the Holidays Coordinating Committee in Winnipeg, Canada, donated $8,640. Similarly, Mr. Johannes and his wife, residents of Canada, contributed $7,200. Additionally, 15 nationals in Germany collectively contributed €11,815, and members of the Arab Life-Saving Association from various countries donated €3,475 to support families of martyrs. Members of the Nibro and its Environs Association in Sweden contributed $1,250, while nationals in Hawksound, Norway, donated 10,000 kroner to the National Martyrs Trust Fund. Moreover, nationals residing in Switzerland contributed 21,144 Swiss francs to augment the National Martyrs Trust Fund. Contributions included 7,100 francs from the Eritrean community in Zurich, 5,930 francs from members of the association in Canton Solothurn, 3,500 francs from the Eritrean community in Canton Chur, 3,414 francs from nationals in Bilben, and 1,200 francs from the Eritrean community in Canton Valais. On today's final report, 2 dams constructed in collaboration between the Ministry of Agriculture and the Gallup Subzone Administration were inaugurated on 23 December 2024. Mr. Gabriel Meskel Tawelde, head of the Agriculture Office in the subzone, noted that the dams with a combined capacity of over 310,000 cubic meters are expected to ensure water supply for both human and livestock consumption, as well as support agricultural development in the region. Mr. Usman Adam, administrator of the subzone, praised the strong participation of the Defence Force stationed in the area, emphasizing that their involvement highlights the significant role of the Defence Forces in national development programs. Ambassador Abdullah Musa, governor of the Ansaba region, commended the active participation of both the Defence Force and local residents, calling for continued public engagement to ensure the sustainability of the dams. Reports indicate that from late 2023 to 2024, 15 dams have been constructed in the region, with 2 more under construction in the Ilaberit and Halhal subzones. TV was that was it for today. Thanks for watching us and have a good one.